I want to share with you one of the most simplest strategy you can start using in 2026 immediately you finish watching this video. If you are seeing my video for the very first time, please do well to subscribe and turn your notification, as I'll be releasing educative video like this that will help you to scale your trading journey. If your goal is to scale your trading journey, do well to watch this video to the end, take notes, and if you have any question, do well to comment in the comment section, and I will do well to reply you. Okay, without any further ado, let's dive into it. I'm going to show you three simple indicators that you can use, and believe you me, it works perfectly in all the market condition. Okay, it works in all the market condition. Okay, so one, take note of the time frame. If you are scalping, you can focus on 15 minutes. Okay, if you are a scalper, if your goal is to scalp, focus on 15 minutes. All right, so how do we use this system? Watch me. The first thing we're going to add here, go to insert, click on indicators, locate your trend. Please, this is Bollinger Band. Click on Bollinger Band. Leave it as default. Click OK. You see I didn't change anything. Go back to insert, indicators. Go to trend again. Add moving average. Okay, moving average. Now we are interested in moving average 48. Okay, moving average 48. Leave it as simple. Apply to close. Okay, you can change the color depending on your background. Okay, my background is black, so I can choose white. I can choose any other color that does not, of course, conflict with my background color. Okay, so let me use white. You can use any color of your choice. Okay, the most important thing is that it must be visible. Okay, ensure that it's visible. Okay, this is our moving average 48. Now let's go to insert. Okay, what are we inserting now? Go to your oscillator, your MACD. Leave your MACD as default. Okay, do not change anything. Okay, click on MACD. Leave it the way it is. Click OK. This is your MACD. Then lastly, click on indicator, trend, average directional movement index, ADX. Okay, average directional movement ADX. Leave this the way it is. You can choose to use the same color as your background. Okay, because I am not interested in plus I and minus I am not interested in it. So that's why I changed the color to my background. Okay, because I am not interested in it. Then I am interested in this, right? So for that reason, I'll click OK. You can see that I'm only seeing one line because I used my desktop background on these two, because I'm not interested in these two. I'm only interested in this, right? So that's it. So I'm only interested in this line. Okay. Remember that the level is 25. Okay. The level is 25. How do you change the level? Okay. Do this in your parameter. Then you click on level. Right? Yeah. You can add level by clicking here, or whatever that is here, you can double click it and edit it. Okay, make sure it's 25, then you click OK. All right. So this strategy is called VTM strategy. Okay, this strategy is called VTM strategy. It's one of the simplest strategy you can find out there, and even if you've not traded before, if you are able to follow instruction, um, you will definitely make money from it. Note that this video is for educational purpose. You can seek advice from a financial expert. Yes, this video is strictly for educational purposes. Okay, so look at this. ADS. Whenever your ADS is below 25, this is level 25, it simply means that the market is consolidating. And when the market is consolidating, it's not ideal for you to trade. Okay? When the market is consolidating, do not trade. What do we mean when we say that the market is consolidating? When the market is consolidating, there's no clear direction, just like what is going on here. The market does not have clear direction. You can see what is going on here. It's more like moving like this. It does not have clear direction. So on that note, you can see that when this started happening, you can see that it was below this. So this is a clear indication that the market is consolidating. Look at what is happening here again. Whenever the market is consolidating, you are bound to see your ADS below the 25 level. Okay, so that's an indication that the market is consolidating. And I said whenever the market is consolidating, ensure not to trade, because you're definitely going to have false signals. Okay, you're going to have false signals. So now, what does your MACD do here? Now, whenever your MACD is pointing downward, just like what we have here, it's an indication that the direction of the market is changing from upward to downward, right? And whenever it's pointing upward, it's an indication that the market has changed from downward to upward. I don't know if that makes sense. Of course, we have two trends here. We're interested in the uptrend or downtrend. Uptrend, and when you have uptrend, you're taking a buy, and when you have downtrend, you're taking a sell, right? Good. Now, how do you use your moving average? The function of moving average is to define direction, okay? So that means that when the candles are trending below the moving average 48, it's an indication that you are in a sell trend. And when it's trending above it, just like we see here, it means that you are in a buy trend, right? Good. So let's dive into it properly. The question is, how do you use this strategy to trade? How do you use this strategy to trade? It's very simple. Okay, I just explained what each of these means. Okay, now the last thing I didn't explain is your Bollinger Band. It's your Bollinger Band. Now, if you look very well, you see that we have the upper Bollinger Band, the middle Bollinger Band, and the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, now the middle Bollinger Band is acting as a boundary between the uptrend and downtrend. I repeat, the middle Bollinger Band is acting as a boundary between the uptrend and and sell trend. Now, how do we use this strategy to place our trade? Please listen to me closely. If we are to take a buy trade, the first thing I am going to look at is ADS. At this point, is ADS above the 25 level, I have to check if it is above, good. Secondly, I will check the direction of my MACD. Is my MACD pointing upward at this moment or is it pointing downward? If it's pointing upward, I'll check it. Good. The next thing is my moving average. Is the candle above the moving average at this particular point in time or is below the moving average? If it is above, I'll check it again. Good. So lastly, I will check my candle. Is the bullish candle above the middle Bollinger Band at this point or not? If it is above the middle Bollinger Band, I am going to check it again as good. So if all these conditions are met, what am I going to do? At the closure, let's assume that at this point, okay, at the closure of this candle, right, I'll go ahead and place this trade as a buy, all right? If all conditions are met, I'll go ahead and place this trade as a buy, right? And if I place this trade as a buy, where will my stop loss be? That'll be my next target. Where will my stop loss be? And where will my TP be? Your TP should be at the next zone. That's the essence of the support and resistance zone. Place your TP at the next. This is a resistance zone. Place it at the nearest resistance zone. Okay? And your stop loss should be here. Okay? Or you can simply put your stop loss at the lower Bollinger Band. You put it at the lower Bollinger Band. Do you understand? So these are the conditions that must be met for you to take a buy trade. So the other question is, what if I want to take a sell trade? What condition should I look out for? If you want to take a sell trade, you do the same. Check your ADS. Ensure that your ADS is above level 25. Ensure that your MACD is pointing downward at this particular point in time. Check your moving average. If your moving average, if the candle is not trending below the moving average, please do not take the trade at that particular point in time. Wait. If the candles are trending below the moving average, just like what we saw here, this candle closed below this moving average at this point, and of course, below the moving average. I mean, below the Bollinger Band, right? At this point, this is a confirmation of a sell opportunity. What do? You go ahead and place your trade. And when you place your trade, where do you place your TP? Your TP should be in the next support level. Yeah. And you can place your TP, your SL somewhere here. Please note this. Always maintain this 1:2. Okay. So that means if the pip value between your entry to your TP level is, let's say, 20 pips, ensure that your stop loss is not more than 10 pips. And if your profit target is, let's say, 40 pips, ensure that your stop loss is not more than 20 pips to maintain this 1:2. I don't know if that makes sense. The strategy is very simple, okay? If you can, apply what I just taught you, go ahead and implement it in your demo account and you will see the results. Okay? Watch this video over and over. Share it with your friends that are new to trading. If you have any question, do well to comment in the comment section. And also, if you're interested in trading with my broker, for those of you interested in boom and crash, you can reach out to me via the number in the description section. And also, you can create an account using the link in the description section. Okay. If you're interested in trading with an automated system, we also have one of the best automated system out there. Just as you can see on your screen, this result is fully automated. If you need an automated system that can trade for you while you are sleeping, you can visit our website and order it. The link to our website is in the description section as well. See you in the next video. Bye for now.